Hi, I'm Alejandro and I'm going to show you how to make a call with your new Voiceopia phone. Now, this is the Yaelink 56H. To make a call, you're just going to start dialing the phone number or the extension. You do not need to dial a 9 or a 1 beforehand. I'm going to make a call to one of my test phones over here. It's now calling this number over here. I'm going to answer it over here and put it on mute. You have the option of doing speakerphone or an earpiece. That option is this speakerphone button right here. You just click it while making the call. Same thing, you just click it to change it back. To change the volume, you're going to use your arrow keys left and right. If you want to change the volume for the earpiece, have it on earpiece, use left or right. Put it on speaker, change the volume of the speaker left or right. If you ever have any questions or comments, give us a call at 423-509-8000 or send us an email at support@Voiceopia. We're more than willing to answer any questions you might have.